Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves cranking up the tunes at parties, beaches, or backyard hangouts, but gets frustrated with speakers that distort at high volume, have short battery life, or aren't tough enough for outdoor use, then get hyped because today we're blasting with a portable powerhouse. It's the Bose SoundLink Max portable speaker. This rugged speaker delivers immersive sound with party mode for linking multiple units, up to 20 hours of battery, and waterproof design for worry-free fun. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want booming bass, clear highs, and durable build for gatherings or adventures with easy Bluetooth pairing, this is the speaker that'll make every playlist an event. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break it down and see why it's a SoundLink Max must-have in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Bose SoundLink Max portable speaker. This is a compact yet powerful Bluetooth speaker with custom engineered drivers and passive radiators for rich 360-degree sound with deep bass and crisp vocals. Adjustable via the Bose Music app with EQ presets for outdoor, bass boost, or balanced modes to suit your vibe. It has a 20-hour battery life at moderate volumes with a quick 3-hour charge via USB-C and a built-in handle for easy carrying despite its solid build. The IP67 rating means it's waterproof and dustproof, floating if dropped in water, and the rugged silicone exterior with metal accents resists drops and scratches for outdoor durability. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable connections up to 30 feet, with multipoint pairing for 2 devices and SimpleSync to link with other Bose speakers or soundbars. It includes a mic for hands-free calls with noise reduction, and party mode lets you stereo pair 2 Max speakers or connect hundreds for bigger events. The app also handles firmware updates, customization, and finding your speaker if lost. Priced around $199, it's lightweight at 4.9 pounds and comes in colours like black or blue dusk for a stylish touch. Versatility is a standout. Use it solo for personal listening with immersive sound, pair for stereo at picnics, or max out for parties with booming volume. It's great for indoor use too, with its clear audio that fills rooms without distortion. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are blasting strong. Immersive 360-degree sound with powerful bass and clarity at high volumes. Long 20-hour battery for all-day play without recharging. Rugged, waterproof build that's drop-proof and floats for worry-free outdoor use. Easy app customization with EQ and multi-speaker linking for enhanced experiences. And reliable Bluetooth with clear calls for versatile daily use. Users love how it handles big crowds without distorting, the portable design that's tough yet light, and the app's simplicity for tailoring sound. It's reliable, fun, and turns any spot into a party zone. On the con side, the 4.9-pound weight might feel hefty for ultra-portable needs. No built-in voice assistant, so it relies on your phone. The app is required for advanced EQ, which some find limited, and some note bass can overwhelm at max volume indoors, though most say it's balanced outdoors. Overall, pros dominate for music lovers. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Bose SoundLink Max portable speaker if you enjoy social gatherings or outdoor audio, and the pros like sound quality, battery life, and durability make sense for you. It's ideal for party hosts, beachgoers, or anyone wanting premium portable sound without the hassle. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your sound blasting, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a music buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.